Guys, there's kittens outside right there. I think you got.
So you're gonna post
Look.
my exam scores. You are
Guys, look, it's so cute.
my teacher. Hindi, yung mga teacher ko po, nagpo-post sila ng mga story nila, mga ganun-ganun nila.
I think they're annoyed. Yeah. Do you see that, guys? It's so cute. Guys, I want to see you. Oh my god. I guess check them out. Guys, the reason why we can't go outside because it's really hot. It's probably 40 degrees outside right now. Something like that. And that is crazy. They're the shadows, so they're fine. And my shoulder is probably gonna get a sunburn. We went to Viva today, and it was so. So we went to Viva today. It was not the best time of my life, but it's fine. And I'm gonna just tell you the routine of the day. So first up, I woke up, and then I saw my mom and dad and my sister right there. You can see that. Shake your booty, bro. Ate, shake your booty real quick, please. Shake your booty real quick, please. Just do it. Just do it.
I will flip your face off.
There she. Okay. So I saw my sister and my dad and my mom trying to. I know. They were right here right now. A white chair was probably right here, and then my dad was sitting on it, not sitting on it,
I should be watching.
and then guess what, guys? They were trying to do the whatever evil things, not evil things, but they were checking on ABCD Bank. Yeah. So after that, when I went upstairs, there's a daddy cat. So when I went upstairs to check my sister, my middle sister, she's 10 years old.
That's your older sister pa rin, baby, Jago.
Huh?
That's your older sister pa rin. You're the youngest. You don't have a younger sister, Jago.
Okay, there's my older sister. Oh, okay, this is the dress. Not dress, I mean t-shirt my dad wear. So
You're showing Papa's t-shirt.
Okay, and we went to Viva today. I already said that. It was not the best experience. I drank a juice, 10 sips, and it's already almost finished now. Just look at the juice. This is my mom. This is the juice. It's already almost finished. These are the things we bought. But all of these are actually rip-off. I know. Fake gummies. I'll make a mukbang later. It will be uploaded soon. And we got... oh yeah, I already showed you. I can't show you, Tor. I need to tell you the routine. After we went to Viva, they're running like a red star. They're checking the fodder. Hey.
Nope, he left.
Oh, he doesn't care.
These poor kids got that big parents, bro.
Look, guys. It's so cute.
Go.
It's so cute. It's just checking it in real life.
trees.
Look. Oh my god, that's your dad, guys. Daddy, I'm gonna take a picture.
This poor thing is about to get a top. Huh?
Sure. That's so cute, guys. Look at the dad. That's your daddy, bro. And that's your wife, bro. That one right there. They're actually related together. Yay!
What?
Oh my god! God.
Oh.
Ibigay yung yung avocado yung sa mga maliliit.
Hi.
Tapos ito, ibigay mo sa
Ay.
nanay.
Duh. Oh my god, they're looking so cute. You look beautiful today. Where's the others? Hey, go with them. Where are they? Where's Adam?
Alis na.
Papa, look, they're there now. There's. Yeah, so if we came back and then I grinked another sip. Oh, the dad is alive! He's awake! Ah! You scared me. Come, bro.
Oh, you actually did it?
These are the kitties. They know that I'm videoing them. This is the daddy. Go dance! Dance! Hey, dance! 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 Oh my god! Okay. I think
How did he teleport there?
I think these ones are those ones with the mom is like probably 1 month old now or 2 months now. I think we found them last week because they were already in the backside, but I think we found them last week or 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago or 6, something like that, or 4 weeks ago, something like that, 45 days ago. They look so famous. Guys, let these cats blow up. Picture them. Oh, I accidentally pictured the trees. You look fabulous today. You too. But these ones are so fabulous too. Oh my god. Hey, don't show your booty to the viewers. Oh, it's so hard, right? Ah! Bless you. In the morning, in the morning, in the morning, in the morning, in the morning.
Wait, I was
Where's the kitchens? And where they are in the bomb. Guys, this video is almost 9 minutes long, guys. So thank you for watching. And Funky Jacob, please subscribe. Don't forget, guys. So thank you, and like and subscribe, and stay like this always. Stay grateful and always be kind to one each other. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.